की खूब और का बातें से टीवी लवन राशि तक Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
UMP ka Kongres na turaw Saleng Sangma wala pa ko jing bitar halo ko jing kano ko Kongres baka yatray lang maka BJP haka election Lok Sabha baladeb na tura parliamentary constituency. Saleng wala Takraiñ Bernard and Marak ubolong nong ilambot UMDC ka BJP na tura dakabo ang shabo unkam maday ya ka aka ka bamla banlong ulay banati biya shwa henday ban chukran lajeng haw. Shushu Saleng sama wala punshairu bayau Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon la Jied MP da BJP Madu kula kontroru baka BJP baka Kongres kidi bajia shun tolong sing tong mlu mat namar kata kajing etay lang hapareng gini ki artri parti kan urlong satya daleleru
Whenever Rimpu or Barnard speaks about anything, anybody will take it as a gospel truth. Do you think the BJP has made Ricky Sulai to be the MP or me to be the MP? Whereas we are BJP and Congress is like a fire and a water. We will never mingle or we don't mingle at all. You get my point? And moreover, I think they have lost their mind just because I have become MP after so many years. Now, BJP and NPP are together. Whenever you go to Delhi, ask anybody, especially the ministers and all, they take this particular state as an NDA ruling state. You got my point? So, in which dream they have got a support from the BJP? Can you tell me? During the election, of course, we go to each and every individual to give us a support. Not from the BJP. Not as a BJP, as an individual. I went to Django, Asahel Tisira. I went to Benedict. I went to few of the leaders. I went to, even those leaders from the NPP also to support me. You got it? It doesn't mean that they have supported me on the basis of the party's direction. BJP never supported me and they will never support me in the future also. If it has a bowl, can they kick out these two BJP? Kick out the BJP. Kick out these two BJP and believe their spokesperson. You got my point? Will they have the guts to kick out these two BJP from the cabinet, from the ruling? Do that one and then tell them to speak afterwards. You got it? Then only tell them to speak about the Congress. Okay? They can't, they're only two. They don't need two. They've got 43. They don't need support from this BJP. If they have the ball and the guts enough to kick out, tell Rakam to kick them out. Then tell them to speak about me.